Alright, now we're going to be checking out another tunnel wash. I know I have to, like, I'll pass by and then I'll turn to the right and go back into it. So, if I can reckon where it is. It's not that far from here. This next place is called Splash and Dash, if I remember correctly. It's got a Coleman Hanna tunnel. Something that I need to document some more of, as well as some other things later, or following. There it is. Hoping I wouldn't miss it. Yeah, I'm curious how this one compares to Rock and Roll in Carthage. I think that's the way I'm supposed to go in. The reviews of this place on Google have seen kind of so-so, so I guess we'll, only one lane is open. Oh yeah, the other pay station's dismantled. See what this place is.
Welcome to our car wash.
Oh, sweet, only 18. Very good, and yes, it does take cash.
Please pay with either credit card or cash.
Cool.
Please pay with either credit card or cash. Please wait while your receipt is being printed.
Bills and my receipt.
Thank you for your business. We look forward to seeing you again soon.
Car 400 and...
Please pull forward.
Uh-oh, this guy. A little trouble getting on the conveyor, but... Oh well, I know what to do. I'm pretty experienced. Alright, he's good now. This one looks definitely older than the other one I've seen. So, this one looks neat, to say so. Yeah. Roll my window now. goodness, those brushes look aggressive and dirty. Oh, oh boy. Alright, and there goes our thing. Well, well, I guess maybe a tad freaked out, but well, here we go. These brushes aren't spinning too fast. Another quick tunnel. Oh wow, Belanger dryers. Are those first gen sidekicks? It looks like. Nice surprise. That place seemed a little run down. Slower conveyor speed would make it a little bit more effective, but it seemed like an okay wash. Definitely an interesting setup though. Alright, next car wash, which is also pretty close by and one of the highlights of today's trip. So, thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed and stay tuned. Today's video is brought to you by the Brahms parking lot. Just kidding. But anyway, here's the aftermath of that really just not so good car wash. It left a lot of residue. Some of it's kind of hard to see. The window's all like, what is that right there? See, of course, here's dirty. I don't know if you can see down there. It's like all like really dirty down here. I mean, the brushes in that wash were really dirty too. And yeah, oh, the back is very dirty. This side's not as bad, but it's still visible. A little bit on the front down there. And then, yeah, it smells, yeah, this side that's really bad. So, luckily, the next car wash is supposed to be really, really good. So, hopefully it takes all that off.